Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to upload guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on and use get delete sound on oppo phone setting. Friends you want to on, friends you want to use guys your delete sound setting. So friends, how to on and use get delete sound on oppo phone in this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, first of all we will on delete sound setting. After on how to use I will show you. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, scroll it. Friends, click on oppo phone sound and vibration. After on sound and vibration friends, you can see this type of interface: silent mode, vibrate on ring, vibrate on silent. So when scroll it friends, you can see do not disturb setting. Friends, you want to on do not disturb, so you can on. After on guys, status bar will show guys moon icon and your phone will not ring and vibrate. So friends, we will off it. Friends, you want to change ringtone, so you can change ringtone guys, which ringtone guys you like guys, you can select and get your phone ringtone will change. Friends, you want to change your notification ringtone, so you can change your notification ringtone. So friends, click on more sound and haptic setting, dial pad tone, lock screen sound, screenshot sound and delete sound. So guys, we will on delete sound and how to use after on. So friends, I will take guys some screenshot here, and guys, we will delete a screenshot. So friends, we can delete a screenshot with sound. So guys, we will on the phone gallery. So when we will on photos, and friends you can see photos. So when you will delete photo from your gallery, friends you can see delete sound. So guys, we call it delete sound, and after guys you can use your delete sound like that. Friends, you don't want to use, again click on my phone sound and vibration setting, and friends we will off delete sound setting. And after of guys, now you can delete guys your photos without any sound. So guys, now you can see guys, when I will delete photo, hence you can see we don't have any delete sound. So like that guys, we can on and use the delete sound setting on oppo phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.